Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Deshmukh. I create landing pages for coaches and consultants. So today I am going to explain you more about the squeeze pages. What is squeeze page, how does it work, and what is the purpose of it. So let's get started. So guys, basically the squeeze page is used to capture the information or data of your potential customer. For example, I am creating one advertisement on Facebook. I'm creating an advertisement on Facebook. I want to people click on that advertisement, and I'm redirecting those people to particular one particular web page. On that web page includes one short video, 1 2 to 3 minutes of video explaining about what I am offering here. In particular, this the main goal of this page is to capture the information, and basically the information is the information like your name, email IDs, this type of information. The main goal of this page is to capture the information. Okay. And and this email IDs, this is the important asset, and this is the most valuable asset for your business. Okay. Now I am promising to deliver some shiny object here. That shiny object that could be anything. That will be a PDF, free report, then audit, webinar, free webinar, or some checklist, or anything. That could be anything. So when that particular visitor enter their email ID and clicks on that particular call to action, he or she will receive that particular he or she will receive that shiny object. Okay, shiny object. And in exchange of their email IDs, I am getting that in exchange of email IDs, they are getting that shiny object, which is which is helpful for their business or something, helpful for their business or in learning, and I am getting that email IDs. So this is the basically this email IDs is the most important asset. This is the more important asset for business. This is a funnel. This is the complete funnel. Now when we talk about the funnel, you can see here, you can add multiple stages here. This is at the smaller level, but what happens when we go into the bigger level? Now we are redirecting people only through Facebook. Now we want to redirect people from different website. For example, I am redirecting people from website number 2, website number 3, website number 4. I want to redirect. I am placing advertisement on this website also, and I am redirecting people through these websites. Now this is only one squeeze page. If you are having many resources, you are having you are having that much luxury, then you can design other squeeze page also, by using you can design other squeeze page also by using different color, different headlines, or different video, and you can perform A/B testing as well. You can perform A/B testing as well. Okay, you can check whether this quiz page is giving you more conversion, or this quiz page is giving you the more conversion, and according to that you can use your copies to your quiz pages. So this quiz page also you are promising in here, you are promising to deliver something in exchange of their email IDs. And this quiz page also, here also you are promising to deliver something valuable. Now both from these both quiz pages you are getting these assets. Now I am having this asset, but after that I need to perform some actions. I need to take some actions on over there. First one is I need to connect with my audience. After that, I need to send them promos or some stuff, something related to that, through the emails or other through the emails. Okay, when am sending those promos, ultimately I can get sales through those promos. Okay, so this is the whole process, and the most important part in this process is switch page. the the more people you are driving to your squeeze page from various websites, this is your squeeze page. This is, if this page is highly converting, it is giving you more conversions, then you can get more email IDs. And if you get more email IDs, that means you can connect to more people, you can send them to promos, and ultimately you can get more sales, and this is the ultimate goal. So if you want to learn how to design a squeeze page in Elementor or any other tool, so you can let me in the comment box so that I can prepare my next video according to that. Thank you.